Um, Ladies and gentlemen, it is Dave, Louisa, Daniela from Cell House, Ohio, and we are here with another satisfied seller, Miss Donna. Hello, hi Donna. How do you feel today?
Uh, Relieved.
Yeah, this was a
Um,
big one. This was a big one. We kind of dealt with some basement issues, which we can touch on that a little bit, but we got
yeah.
through it. We can get through anything here. And what was your experience like working with us here at Cell House, Ohio, and working with our team?
Uh, it was pretty good. I mean, you kept well, you didn't keep in contact, but Louisa kept in contact.
Hey, we all got our job here. We all got our job. When it
Yes.
comes time to follow up, no one's better than Louisa for that. But
Yes.
would you say we stay in pretty good communication the whole time?
Yes. Yes. You
Excellent.
kept me appraised pretty much of what was going on most of the time, so you know, it's good. It works.
We're real people. We're not artificial intelligence. We're actually human beings, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You I think so. You don't look AI to me.
Yeah, it
I don't
could
know.
be.
Louisa might be AI.
Yeah, she
She's too
might
cute.
be the most advanced technology on the planet that hasn't even been released yet. Um,
Yes.
but that's what we do. We work with homeowners all over Ohio, and you closed today, right? You signed the paperwork. I mean, we're getting ready to
Yep.
send you money and whatnot. So the money's real and the closing is real. And what's next for you? I mean, where are you guys moving out of state or what's going on?
We've already moved. We are in Maine.
That's
So this
right.
has been really nice because we didn't have to be there, and you know it left me free to get moved and get started here and not have to worry about taking care of all that there. So
Yes, so you have already moved. You are doing this remotely. We're here in Ohio.
yep.
So if you're watching this video and you have a property to sell, you don't need to be there. We try to make it as easy as humanly possible. We do everything pretty much virtually, including signing the final documents here. So I'm glad that worked out well for you, Donna. And then Louisa, Lou, Daniela, what would you like to say to your BFF here, Donna, that you've worked with so closely?
It was a pleasure working with you, ma'am. I really
thank,
enjoyed working with you.
Thank you. I appreciate all your hard
Very happy
work.
that we were able to help you and close even sooner than expected. So
Yes, yes, that's
Yep.
another
very
positive. So yeah.